Okay, here is a unboxing and reveal of my new Traditions Pennsylvania Flintlock muzzleloader. Little backstory on this particular designer rifle. I seen these first when I was probably 12 or 13 years old. Always wanted one. Always loved how they looked. I did buy one about 10 years ago, a percussion. I've taken a few deer with it, and I've won a few competitions with this particular rifle. So this is the percussion model. I did some changes to it. I put a better rear sight, more adjustable rear sight on it, and I put a fiber optic front sight on it. So this is the percussion version. I always wanted the sister to this rifle, and that is this. Well, this is the Flintlock version, basically the same rifle. This is the only production rifle that is historically accurate. It is allowed to be used in recreation, historic period correct recreations of Revolutionary War or later, but it is a historically accurate rifle. This is it's a walnut stock, all brass inlay. But 58 inches. I believe total length. The barrel is a 1 66 inch twist, so it's perfect for round ball. See, the rear sight is height adjustable and for windage, but the notch in it is very small. And the front sight is a brass shark blade. Historically accurate, very difficult for old eyes to see. So this has got some nice grain to it. The wood to brass fit is fairly nice. I mean, this is a Spanish rifle, a mass-produced rifle, but I think they did a excellent job. And if you're looking to get a historically accurate Pennsylvania long rifle, I would suggest this particular rifle. So I have been very impressed with the percussion version of this rifle. Now, this is a Flintlock version. Hopefully it will be just as accurate and reliable as its sister, the percussion one. I go in for surgery tomorrow for my hand, so I am able to cock it. Now what I'm doing here is I've got a piece of old boot leather and a flint. So you put the leather on the flint to help hold it. It doesn't take a lot of leather inside the jaws, and you want just a little bit of the flint to hang out. The leather is a little bit thick. It'll wear in. I'm adjusting this right now so the face of the flint strikes the frizzen straight. Hey everyone, thank you for watching my video. Just a quick commercial break here. If you like my videos and you like my content, please subscribe, comment, ask questions, but don't forget to hit that notification bell so that way you'll get notified when new content comes out. Thank you. I might have to readjust the flint a little bit more. Set trigger, fire trigger. I don't know if you can see that or not. It has a little bit of 4F black powder. You don't want to cover up the touch hole. You want it to be just below that touch hole. Bring your frizzen down, covers up your pan, set your trigger, and poof. Again, it doesn't take a lot of powder inside the pan. I'm not going to shoot it off in here, it's just to see it ignite. So, right now, I'm happy with the amount of sparks I'm getting off of the frizzen and how quick the ignition is on the pan. Very happy with this rifle at this point. So, I get through my surgery, and if I'm able to shoot, we'll do some more video. And I still have to shoot my double barrel flintlock for a follow-up video for you. So, I haven't forgotten. Until then, happy trails.